In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar on Wix. If you want your website visitors to see your upcoming events without any extra clicks, connecting your Google Calendar directly to your Wix site is a simple and reliable solution. We'll use the Google Event Calendar app from the Wix App Market. Then connect your Google account so your events appear automatically and stay up to date. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side of the editor, look for the App Market icon. This is where you can add new functionality to your site. Click App Market to open it, then use the search bar at the top and type Google Event Calendar. You should see the app appear in the results. Select it to view the details, and then click Add to Site. Wix will place the calendar element onto your page so you can see where it sits within your design. Once the app is on your page, look for the Settings button. You can click the calendar element and then click Settings or Open Settings from the app's floating panel if it appears. This is the control center for your calendar connection and display. In the Settings panel, connect your Google account. A prompt may appear asking you to sign into Google and to allow the app to access your calendars. Approving this allows the app to read your events so they can display on your site. After you connect, you'll be able to choose which specific calendar you want to show. If you use multiple calendars, such as work, personal, or a team calendar, make sure to pick the one that contains the events you want your visitors to see. Within the same settings area, you can fine-tune how your calendar appears. For example, you can select the default view, like month, week, or agenda, and adjust simple visual options such as colors or the starting day of the week. These adjustments help your calendar feel consistent with your site's style and make it easier for visitors to scan upcoming events. If you don't see events right away, give it a moment to sync, then refresh the editor. If your calendar still looks empty, double-check that you selected the correct calendar in settings and that your events aren't set to private in Google Calendar. That's it. By installing the Google Event Calendar app from the Wix App Market, opening Settings, and connecting your Google account, your site will automatically display your latest events, saving you time and keeping your audience informed.